up, everybody? Today we're going to be redoing the front. I'll make it super duper quick and to the point. Unlike the last video, it was super boring, and yeah, sorry about that. So yeah, it looks like my front emblem. It's been raining, so but big old rock just nailed this, and they're holding up pretty well. Also got my wheels on there, and we'll show that in a minute. So the back is actually holding up pretty well. Gotta wash my truck. But this time we're gonna sand it down with some 200, maybe 400 grit sandpaper, and then paint it that way. Since the front does take on some rocks, as you can see, barely. Anyways, yeah, don't look forward to taking the grill off. That sucks. Alright, so got a new setup here, got a tripod. Alright, so tools you need. As you see, I got to upgrade from last time. Got a new drill. I think this is 1/2 inch, and then we got 3/8 inch to drill these out. And then we got the Dremel for the other annoying rivets. That's really all you need to take it apart. So that's what we'll do. We'll first see if you can see this. Yep. We're just gonna drill these out. It's pretty obvious with the drill. These right here are where it connects to your front grill, so we'll need those to put it back on. Also, if you've never taken the front grill off, it is extremely annoying. So, all right, so let's do it. I'm gonna use a 1/2 inch first. Make this as quick as possible. That's what I'm gonna do, just tear it up. So 4 pieces total. So now done with the drill. Next we want to get these little rivets out here, all those. And the best thing to use, in my opinion, so far is this little doohickey right there. Where's my glasses? That's what I do. It should. Get something to look up. Hard work. Use punch to hook these things up. That was extremely hard. All right, so now you have four pieces here. All right, now we're going to clean it up, and then we're going to paint it. All right, so that's what we got. It's scraped up. It's really hard to tell in the chrome, but it's scraped up. Could probably use a higher grit or a lower grit. So next time we'll paint it. We'll get to it. Okay. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and put that on there. Also put a piece of cardboard underneath it to kind of level it out. I'm not sure if sanding it helped yet, but we'll see. Taking a little best help. Okay, and wait again. number 5. Go for fun. All right, so I wasn't gonna do a clear coat, but I'm gonna use this right here. Change my mind, so I'm gonna put this on there just see if it makes it any better, any different. But it's been approximately 4 hours, and stuff is looking pretty good. It's no longer fingerprinting up or nothing, so I'd say it's time for a clear coat. Here we go. Okay, now we need to glue it. Here's how it turned out. Right, it's all painted. It's all painted. This is with that one coat of clear coat, and it kind of takes the shine away. It's pretty good. All right, and this is the glue we'll be using. Just some super glue. And all we're going to do is glue it together. And remember, this, as we learned last time, has an orientation. So what you might want to do is pre-fit it on there. See if that side doesn't go in. See, you'll be able to feel it. I don't poke it in there yet. So I know it goes this way. Okay. Be very careful with this stuff. Okay, so first, a little hair on there. Just want to glue this on here. Just double check that it goes this way. It doesn't too much, but I want to do this once. Okay. Go like that. Put this on there. Go good. And there we go. That's it. That's all there is. This one turned out a lot better than the last one. A little more patient with it. So, there we go.